Azure storage services form the backbone of cloud data management. At the core is the Azure Storage Account, an administrative container essential for organizing and managing storage resources. This introduction sets the stage for exploring various Azure storage solutions, including blob, file, and archive storage, each tailored for specific data needs and cost efficiencies. Azure Blob Storage handles unstructured data like media files and documents. Azure File enables file sharing between virtual machines. Archive storage optimizes costs for infrequently accessed data, though recovery may take time. These services enhance data management and cost efficiency in cloud environments. Azure Queues store messages, facilitating communication between components. Azure Table offers a NoSQL data store for entities, differing from SQL tables by not enforcing schema. This flexibility supports dynamic data structures, enhancing scalability and performance in cloud applications. Azure Disk Storage is essential for operating system disks and images. StoreSimple offers a hybrid cloud storage solution, integrating on-premises and cloud environments. Azure Site Recovery ensures disaster recovery by replicating workloads to Azure, enabling seamless failover. These services enhance data management, resilience, and operational efficiency in cloud architectures. Azure Databox facilitates offline data transfer for large volumes, bypassing network constraints. Azure Backup ensures virtual machine disk protection and recovery via recovery service vaults. Azure Monitor offers comprehensive service monitoring, utilizing log analytics for advanced insights and alert configurations to maintain optimal performance. Azure's Content Delivery Network enhances content delivery and reduces latency by integrating with storage accounts. This concludes our overview of Azure Storage Services, highlighting their diverse applications from data transfer to monitoring. Azure's comprehensive solutions empower information technology professionals and cloud architects to optimize storage strategies effectively.